Hello guys, good day. Should I say good day? It's not day already, it's towards the evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another monthly catch up, season 3, episode 32nd, 32. So this month I am not uploading early. It's going to be late towards the month, and I think once I upload this month, next month is going to be interval of like 2 weeks or maybe a week. I don't even know how it's going to be, depending on how when I finish what I'm doing and I edited this video and upload it. So this month we have been working so far, but I was unable to make the video. We've delivered some work so far, but we are making this traveling bag. We still have some to make. Some of them are up there which I have not cut, some of them are here, but presently I make this one. Then there's one outside I make already. This is this one here. So I'll be showing you the process of it later on, or talk about it, then show you some illustration and the measurement. But this one now, you're going to watch the time lapse of me finishing this. So actually we also make some cap few weeks back, and these are the caps here. You can see we have different variety of cap, different design. Presently I'm the only one at the workshop working. There's no help, so I have to do everything gradually. So that's just the update so far. I hope you guys enjoying this. For those of you who are interested in learning, you can always reach out to me. My number will be there for WhatsApp. You can send an email. We also have the link for you to apply from online there. For those of you who are interested in physical, if you are in Abuja, Niger State, you can always chat me up. And for those of you who are interested in the online, you can also reach out to reserve your slots. So this is it so far. Expect interesting work and dope projects this year, as I've promised you. Gradually we are working on something big, so that's why we have not been frequent and have some delay in filming and uploading. But I promise, don't let me say promise, but finger crossed, I'll try my best to make sure everything go intact and always give you the best content for you guys to learn from. So enough talking, let me proceed with this. Let me finish this and come back and show you whatever we've done and what we'll be doing again before in the next few days, so we can edit this video and upload so you guys can watch and enjoy. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. Yesterday I promised to show you this bag. I was making it yesterday, but the place was dark, it was night already, so I couldn't film the rest. I just finished it because it was dark, and I really apologize. I couldn't on any light to show you guys, but this is the first one I show you. So you can see this type of design is something you too can replicate. You see the way we designed the zip. The front zip supposed to have a zip at the side here, but I decided not to put it, but it has a zip at the top, so you can see 1, 2, then the main opening. Same design for this one too as well. So this is the back side you are seeing. The front side also have a zip at the front, so it's looking nice. So I think this too, I'm going to use this for thumbnails as it's looking nice. So those are the bags so far. I promised to show you. Okay, let me just show you the illustration quickly, so you at least see how I make this and learn something from it. So as you can see, this is the illustration I used. This is the illustration and the design. So this is what I used to produce the small one. The big measurement is not here, it's in a different place. So this is the measurement for the smaller one. You can copy it, and as you can see, we designed this initially from 2021, but I just reproduce. Since we don't have any of it left, that's why I'm reproducing now. So that is just it so far. So Is there any update at the workshop? I don't think there's any updates. The last time we filmed the workshop is still the way it is. If you guys remember everything, we've planned everything here. I don't know. The last month workshop, this is here already. Yeah, everything is just there, everything is here. Just that we have more share, we have more bag on the shelf. I decided to display some bags since we are now entering into the raining season and there's no much dust compared to when we first moved here and dust was much. We were able to display some of the bag, but we still have a lot of bag inside here and here that we can display. So, and we have this new box for our tools and some of our accessories. So right now I will be making a bag which I have want to start with this white fabric you see here for the client. The illustration is also here and the design, so I'll be working on this particular one. I actually designed this few days ago, not few days ago, few days ago. So when I'm filming this, I think it's maybe 5 days after, or I just want to make the bag today. So that's the update so far. I will continue with the rest of the making. I will try my best to film a time lapse so that you guys see something and learn. Thank you for being here, and I will continue now. See you at the continuation. So guys, I say I'm even done with the bag? Okay, almost done with the bag, but not done. So I just remember now to continue filming before I turn it so that you guys can see. For it's complicated, so later on I stop filming, and but now I will show you everything so you guys will see. But it's not as if maybe I intentionally stopped filming due to some reason, not even making of the bag. I went out, and when I came back I was unable to film, so that's the reason why. So I'm going to turn this now. When I turn this, I'm going to fix the slider to it, then we are done with the bag. So let me do that. I'm going to show you the time lapse, that's a promise. So let's continue. So guys, we are done with the bag, looking nice, very dope, I promise you, and I love it so much. Let me even see, let me hold this light and see what will change. Okay, more light make everything change. So this is the bag, this is the back pockets, and this is what we designed the side to look like. Everything is well thought out, and you can always put your stuff in between here and the main opponent. So, and it has another pocket at the front here which you can put your stuff, and once you open you can access it. And this is the initial of the clients. And this one, actually I used to customize bag for this particular client, but for this particular one he never request for any customization, but I thought of it that this is going to be a surprise to him once I send it to him. And finger crossed, let's see if he really likes it. But this is the design of the bag he wants, so we are done with it. Everything is nice. And if you remember from previous year, anytime you see me making a white bag, that's the client. I always make white bag for him, and it's every year, sometimes 2 to even 3 times in a year, but every year compulsory. And we are the right bag maker for him to always design his bag and make his bag. So what do you guys thought of this particular one? um Initially I wasn't going to use this for the thumbnails, but let me see if I can still sneak this inside. But the traveling bag I make, I definitely going to use that as a thumbnail, but maybe after a few days I can change this one, or let me see, whichever way works out. So guys, that is it for this month. Next month we'll be making more of traveling bag and some other project, but I'm not promising you because we have fair coming up, and I want to produce, even though we have enough stuff for the fair, I want to produce some more stuff for the fair, but I still have to make those travel bag as well. It's not for clients, we're just producing for people that we need. And as you can see, apart from the one I showed you earlier, this one here, I'm still going to use this to make another one. This is another fabric I'm still going to use to make some traveling bag, and we still have some there, up to 4 design, not this one at the top here, to make those bags. So that's just it for you guys. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. For those of you who want to learn, you can always reach out to me to learn. If you find this video, this monthly catch up educative, give it a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any idea or you have any question, you can reach out to me. And the online program is still pretty much available. You can always reach out, or if you have a particular design of a bag you want to make and you get confused, you can always reach out to me, and you pay a consultation fee for me to design and explain everything for you. So from there you can make your bag. No matter where you are in the world, no matter the country you are, you can always reach out. We can communicate, even if you don't understand English, but we can always communicate and do interaction and translate the language you speak for better understanding. So guys, enough showing you the workshop. Thank you for watching. Thank you for this one. I promise next month is going to be much educative than this. See you guys in next month. Bye for now.